Okay, so recording has been started. So, in today's class, what we are going to see some of the functions what we left around. That is lower, upper, ceil, floor, trim, lpad, rpad. These are 4 5 function we'll see in this class, and onwards we'll see the subquery inner queries. Okay, let me pause the recording for a while. Let me repause. Okay, so from onwards we will go through subqueries, subqueries, inner queries, outer queries, and correlated queries. Okay, so in that case, let me start today's topic. So first function we will see, that is lower. So the lower function, what does lower do? Lower is a function which which converts which converts everything into lowercase. Okay, everything of a string uh, into lowercase means, obviously, if it is a string, it is an string function only. And since it is a function, we need to put a braces, small braces after that. Okay, since this is the thing, let us go to our direct practical session, and let's see. Select, suppose I have SQL English classes. Okay, like that, classes. Okay, and I have mixed amount of um, uh, uh, letters in this string. So let me execute. So you can see SQL English classes is not as up to mark. Okay, now see, you can see it, classes in uppercase and SQL in totally uppercase, and English here the initial letter is capital. So if you want to convert everything into lower, just apply lower. Okay, as column, and now you can see everything has converted into lowercase. Same you can apply as everything. If you want to apply everything into uppercase, just apply upper. Okay, just apply upper. It's just the reverse converse of the lower, right, into uppercase. So these are small functions actually. So you need to you need to just look after it. It sometimes they are very, there are sometimes you may see that they can be important. Okay, because when you are manipulating something, when you are transforming something in your project, when you are playing with your data. So in case there are some cases when you join one data set to other data set, and the other data set is in capital letters and the first data set in lower small letters, then how can you join, right? Suppose, let me give you one scenario over it. Suppose I have a data set employee. Okay, in which employee id is mix of, is in the alphanumeric. And alphanumeric, how it does, like r a r a d rad 1 2 1 2 3. Okay, and this is fine. This can be an id, right? This can be an id like your pan number start with awx bwx, right? In this way. And one the similar, suppose there is another table, um, like manager table, in which there is one column employee id. Okay, because a manager can also be an employee, right? Manager is also an employee, right? And here it is written like this one. Now technically both are same, right? Technically when you see, both are same. I repeat what I'm going to say. I have a file in which employee id is like this. Okay, and I have a file of manager which has employee ID, because every manager is an employee as well. It has manager ID and it has employee ID, right? The two things. I am talking about employee ID because every manager is an employee of that company. Okay, so and in that file it is coming like this. Some tool, maybe some tool is generating like this. Okay, so how can you join this and this? This will fail, right? Your logic will, your joining will fail. You can't join like this. Okay, in that case your lower or upper will work. Okay, are you getting my point? Are you getting my point, what I'm going
Yes,
to
sir.
say? If you want to search this employee, this employee in manager table, or vice versa, okay, this employee in employee table, you are not going to find it, right? Because in the employee table you are getting it in lowercase, and and in the manager table you are getting it in uppercase. Okay, so there, these functions can be of very useful. Okay, so now proceeding to next one, we have a ceil function. Ceil function, we have round function as well. Okay, just apply a one more important function, round, because round is a very important function. Mm, um, but let me tell you about ceil and floor first, and then I will come to round. Okay, then I will come to round. Just let me tell you about ceil and floor. So ceil function will actually give the ceiling value of your numerical digit. This is not a string function. Okay, ceil is an ceil ceil is a numeric function. Okay, lower and upper are string function. Okay, string function, string function. You should understand which are string function and which are numeric functions. Okay, so it's a numeric function which which approximates the value to nearest digit. Just, and float also do that. Float also do that. I will tell you what's the difference between them. Okay, so I will tell you what's the difference between both. Ceil, so just provide 2.3. Okay, so what will you see? It will provide 3, means it is an upper limit. Okay, it provides the approximate upper limit. Okay, means upper limit. All right, and opposite to that, this is a lower limit. Means if you apply floor to this function, this will result as 2, means lower limit. Okay, this will result to 2. What does it? No, 2. Okay, uh, don't don't be confused. If I am giving 2.1, it is giving at 2, and ceil, if I am giving, it will give the upper limit, means 2.1 is 3, and 2 ceiling is 3. Ceiling means roof, right? Roof. Your In your home you have roof, right? So you are calling roof, and you have the ground, right? So for ground you are calling floor. So simple. Are you getting this point? Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is so simple. Just, I'm giving this command. I am giving this command for you. Lower, select lower, and it is the SQL tutorial. Okay, just apply this one. Okay, and same for upper. Okay, same for upper. And now let's come to round. Okay, round function. What does round function do? So the round function is something round. Round will round up your digit to n number of decimal places. Round up your digits, round up your digit to n number of places. I will tell you what it means. Okay, your value, not not digit. I will tell you what it means, because this is a something which it's also and it is also a numeric. Okay, numeric function. Okay, so what does it do? I will tell you. I will tell you what does it do. So it will do select. Suppose you are doing 4 by 3. Okay, okay, as op. Okay, suppose you are applying any divide operation. Okay, any divide operation. So see what you will get. Obviously, when you divide 4 upon 3, 4 by 3, you will get 1.33, 3333, and so on. By default it is showing as 4. Okay, because it is endless, right? When you divide 4 by 3, it will you will get 1.333333 and so on up to n number of times, but it is showing as 3, and I can understand because every compiler behaves differently. Okay, are you getting this? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you getting this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, please uh, uh, please concentrate on this, because I'm going to tell you a very crucial topic, round function that are used in analytics. Okay, so when you apply round, what does it do? It will restrict up to n number of decimal places. N number of decimal places. Okay, n number of decimal places. Suppose don't want this 4 3. I do want only 2 threes. What it will do? It will print like this. And see, you can see it will print like 2. So in your data analytic process, you will have to apply round function frequently. Okay, so please understand this very clearly, because it's a very heavily used function. That's why I'm telling you this. Okay, so you can pass column name here, and when you see, it's a decimal operating function. Okay, so in your data analytics process, you will see when you predict something, or you when you performing any statistics. Obviously a statistics is not done without any decimal operation, right? So in that case you have to restrict your output to certain number of decimal places. So in that case, round function will be used. Okay, so let me proceed now. Trim function. Okay, so what does trim do? Trim function is something which is, I know this is going heavy, but this is how it is done. So if you say I will cut off this trim alped arped in the next class, is if it is going heavy, or
No,
let me
sir.
do it in next class only. Let me do it in next class only, so that it will be more clear. So the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.